Serum. It is one of my all-time favorite beauty products because it really works. You know, we do a lot of great products for the eyes on QVC, but it's so hard to find a beauty product that works not just under your eye. You know, they all say like apply under the eye, that goes up over your eyelids. And so if you have like your skin's getting a little crepey there, I'm telling you, this stuff works. So here's the value. We also have a better value than anyone. We can't even do auto delivery on it. So normally, anywhere else you would get this, including Dr. Kaplan's site, one of these is $105. And I think at $105, still worth every penny. Two would be $210. We are saving you $121. You're getting it home for 5 easy payments of $17.80. So instead of being $105 a piece, they are $44.50 a piece. But you know what's priceless? What this does when you start using it. Let's take a look at a before and after. This is after 2 weeks. Imagine how much more of a pleasure it'll be to even put eyeshadow on after 2 weeks when your lid is smoother. There is only one man who has cracked this code, and it is Dr. Stuart Kaplan. He's a Beverly Hills dermatologist, award-winning. He treats all kinds of actors and celebrities, but I know he also likes treating all of us. So come on out, Dr. Kaplan.
It is so great to be here,
I'm
Sandra.
so happy to see you. So you've done something completely different. And I'm 54, I was starting to get like a lot of lack of firmness on my eyelids. I feel like you held it at bay for me.
You know, this is a clinically tested eye serum that has crushed diamonds that are going to exfoliate and brighten your skin, and a powerhouse of other ingredients. Listen to this, that are going to firm, tighten, increase the elasticity around the entire eyelid. It's going to brighten, plump, and reduce lines and wrinkles. And I want you to use this every single day. And what makes this different is it's not meant just for the area under the eye, but the crow's feet and the area around the entire portion from the brow all the way to the lashes.
And that's where a lot of eye creams sort of fail, right? That's kind of where they fail us, in that they're really just for around, like under the eye. So this is, we're taking a look at what's in here.
So this has a double pearl technology with my crushed diamonds that also contains 3 different peptides, 4 different hyaluronic acid, all in one. And now, I am an ingredient nerd. I'm a clinical professor. I teach at a university, medical school, and I wanted to give you something that's going to firm, tighten, increase the elasticity over the entire eyelid, and it's going to instantly, after just the first use, hydrate, plump, and brighten your skin. And this is what you're going to see.
Okay, this is what I saw. This is what I personally saw. My eyes were starting to be a little more like the before. I feel like I'm in the after category now. You know, I notice it when I put eyeshadow on. That's when I really notice it. It doesn't skip now as much.
So here's the key. This gives you an overview. And first of all, this was instrument tested. It's not enough for me to say I want it to work. I have to prove that it works.
Third-party instrument tested.
Third-party instrumentation. Look at the upper eyelids. You don't want upper eyelids that are sagging. You want them to be firmer, tighter. Look at the lower eyelids. The elasticity is increased. The skin is brighter. The dark circles are gone, and the crow's feet. This is clinically proven to work after just the first use.
Look at this.
You're
getting like a 6-month supply. So look at her, what was crow's feet in the before, in the after, and we're talking about 2 weeks.
2 weeks, because the ingredients and the technology are second to none. The lines above the eyelids, visibly reduced. If you want to know what firmer, tighter, more elastic skin looks like, this is it. This is not a maybe. I'm not sure if I see the difference. Before I give it to you, I actually clinically test it, instrument test it, and then test it on my patients in Beverly Hills.
And you know, Dr. Kaplan, I use a lot of different skincare. I am a skincare junkie. I use so many different brands. We have great brands at QVC. I use this with other brands. I use it with more of Dr. Kaplan. Don't get me started on your diamond, your diamond treatment. But it's rare to be able to use something and so quickly say, oh, it worked. because usually skincare takes time. I have used entire bottles and someone has said to me, do you think it worked? And I go, yeah, I think it's okay. This, I see results.
You know why? It's independent instrument testing. Look at how Chantel is applying it.
So she's going up on the eyelid. That's where a lot of eye products let you down.
You go 360 degrees. You go from the corner all the way around as an entire circle, from the area from the lower eyelids to the crow's feet, right up to the area below the brow. One pump is going to cover both eyelids, and this is gentle enough to use every single day. I made it that way because I wanted to use it every single day.
I'm gonna say something I don't think I've ever said on air right now. Mom, if you're watching, will you order this for me? Because I think it's gonna sell out before I'm done. And this exact thing, Dr. Kaplan, this is funny. When you and I were together, it was July. We were together and this sold out. And I talked to my mom afterwards and she said, I got that eye serum. Should I have gotten you one too? And I said, oh my gosh, I didn't get a chance to order it. And I thought coming into this show, oh, there'll be enough, I'll order it. I'm busy, I'll order it after our presentation. No, I think this is gonna sell out again. So anywhere else, here's what I like to get on QVC. Anywhere else, one of these is $105, two would be $210. You can see on your screen, this is a Black Friday sale price, 5 easy payments of $17.80. There are now only 600 remaining. You're saving $121. You're really saving your skin. So this is instantly.
Two things in this that you're seeing. It's instant and it's also instrument tested. It's not enough for me to say I want it to work. I have to prove that it works. Hydration to improve fine lines and wrinkles, skin firmness, elasticity. You've got 3 different peptides, 4 different types of hyaluronic acid. Why 4? Because each hyaluronic acid type that I put in there has a different molecular weight to cover the different depths of creases that you have. That's the science that goes behind this. Look at this picture, upper eyelids. Eyelids show there is no forgiveness when you look at the eyelids. This is profound visible change. This is dramatic difference. Look at the crepiness, look at the wrinkles. The skin is firmer, smoother, tighter.
I think it's gonna sell out. We started with how many? 1,700, we have 400 remaining. I know these are really great before and afters, but if you want this, you need to be checking out now. See, I'm telling you, this was my experience when I started using it. It's why I still use it every day. I don't think about the texture and crepiness on my eyelids anymore. And it was really starting to like, you might have not seen it, but you know what? I saw it every time I put my makeup on and I thought, well, I guess this is it now.
No.
But
you know
no, you said no.
This is a big transformation. Patients come into me and they go, this is amazing. Yeah. They go, there's not surgery, there are no injections. This is just a cream.
Well, and you don't stick your name on stuff. That's the other thing. He doesn't just stick his name on something because he's a famous doctor. You said you called yourself an ingredient nerd. I will not, oh, it just sold out. But you create these yourself, your recipes basically.
They're all my recipes. They're all my recipes. I tested first independent. Yeah. For independent photography, independent clinical testing. Yeah. Well, I guess I do really well.
Give my best to your wife. It's so
always
nice to
good to see you, Sandra. All the best. Thank you.
Thanks.
All right, nothing says happy holidays like finding the perfect gift for everyone on your list. And our great gifting event is happening right now on QVC. Gift 15, or is it 15 gift? Gift 15. You're going to take $15 off any purchase of $60 or more. So go ahead and save everything in your shopping cart, and then you're going to get $15 off any purchase of $60 or more. At the end of the day, yes, you have about 2 hours and 15 minutes to take advantage of this. It's called Gift15 is your promo code, and be sure and check out all of the great gifts on QVC and save some money in the process. Right now, though, it's problem solution, Miss Sandra.
You know, I just want to say, I love Dr. Kaplan so much, and he just said to me, I said, thank you so much for coming. I've been asking for you, and he goes, it's okay, because it's 12 hours door to